Hey guys, figured I'd do a little how-to video if anyone else ran into this. So my battery, I woke up this morning to go drive my truck and it barely turned over. Then I went to the store, I parked at the store, and I noticed that the alternator didn't charge the battery while I was driving. So I'll show you real quick how to change an alternator. It's a 2012 Silverado. Super easy. So first, battery's right here. So disconnect the negative, get it out of the way, disconnect the positive. I threw a little bit of a zip tie right here just to hold it out of the way of the battery. I may be replacing the battery too. But then you just disconnect this little plug right here is clipped into the top. Super easy to get that clip out, and then you just squeeze it on top and it clips right out. And then take the hot lead off, and then right over there is the tensioner pulley. You're gonna just take your 15mm socket and take it and push it down. The belt will come loose. Get the belt off, and then same 15mm socket will take out those two bolts, and then this thing is just loose and ready to pull out. So I'm gonna take it down to local hardware store and get it bench tested and see if the alternator is good or bad, and then see if I also need to do the battery. This truck is a 2012 and it's still on the original battery, which is super impressive. So 6 years is more than a standard battery. So hope that helped. Catch you guys later.